Are you struggling to keep your viewers hooked till the end? Imagine turning every click into a captivated audience. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the secret sauce behind creating videos that grab attention, keep people watching, and leave them wanting more. This video is also for you. If you're a new content creator looking to go viral in 2024, you've come to the right place. So let's dive right in. Why are there not too many people talking about the secret sauce of how to create a perfect, captivating video? Today, I'm sharing the perfect video creation formula that will help you create content that not only gets views, but also resonates with your audience. Let's get right into it. Number one, you need a hook, but what exactly is a hook? A hook in a video is a compelling element or statement at the beginning that grabs the viewer's attention and entices them to keep watching. It's usually placed within the first few seconds of the video and aims to pique curiosity, address a pain point, promise a benefit, or highlight something intriguing or unexpected. You can start with a surprising statistic about an intriguing question about the topic you are talking about that captures attention. For example, hook. Are you tired of spending hours editing videos? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can do it in minutes with just a click? This hook works because it immediately addresses a common pain point, time-consuming video editing, offers a tantalizing solution, an AI tool, and creates curiosity, making viewers want to find out more. The hook also sets expectations. It sets the tone for the rest of the video, letting viewers know that they will learn something valuable that could save them time and effort. Now, what's an example of a less captivating hook? Hook. Today, I'm going to talk about some AI tools you might find interesting. This hook is less captivating because 1. Lacks specificity. It's vague and doesn't highlight what the specific benefit or outcome will be. 2. It has no emotional appeal. It doesn't tap into any emotions or pain points that the audience might have, which are essential for grabbing attention. 3. It doesn't promise value. There's no clear promise or indication of how the viewer will benefit by continuing to watch. 4. It doesn't stand out. It sounds generic and could apply to countless videos, making it easy for viewers to skip without feeling like they'd miss out on something important. The key to a good hook is making it relevant, specific, and enticing, so it immediately connects with what the audience wants or needs. So, compare. Are you tired of spending hours editing videos? What if I told you there's an AI tool that can do it in minutes with just a click? Versus today, I'm going to talk about some AI tools you might find interesting. Which one do you prefer? Leave me a comment in the comment section. Number 2, you need a great introduction. An introduction in a video is the segment that follows the hook and serves to welcome viewers, set the context, and outline what the video is about. It helps establish your credibility, connects with the audience, and sets up the structure for the rest of the content. A good introduction should quickly tell viewers who you are, what the video will cover, and why they should keep watching. Here is an example of an introduction. Hey everyone, welcome back to Make AI Work for You. Today, we're diving into an AI tool that can cut your video editing time in half. If you've been struggling with long editing hours and want a faster, more efficient way to create content, then you're in the right place. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use this tool to automate your editing process and save tons of time. Why this works? 1. Grease the audience. It starts with a friendly greeting to make viewers feel welcome and connected. 2. Introduces yourself. Channel. A quick mention of the channel name and your role establishes credibility and reminds the audience of your niche focus. 3. Sets the topic. Clearly states what the video will cover, an AI tool for a video editing, so viewers know what to expect. 4. Promises value. Highlights the benefit of watching, saving time with AI editing to keep viewers engaged. 5. Encourages retention. The promise that by the end of the video, viewers will learn something valuable encourages them to stay till the end. The introduction should be concise but informative, helping viewers quickly understand the value they'll get from the video while setting a friendly and engaging tone. Next is presentation of problem challenge. The presentation of the problem in a video is where you clearly define the issue or challenge that the audience faces. This step is crucial because it helps to connect with viewers by acknowledging their struggles or needs, making the content more relatable. It sets the stage for presenting your solution or content, showing viewers why what you're about to share is important or useful. Sometimes this is already in the introduction. Here is an example of presentation of the problem. Editing videos can be a real pain. It's time-consuming, requires a lot of patience, and can often leave you feeling drained, especially when you're working with tight deadlines. And let's face it, not everyone has the skills or resources to hire a professional editor. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or someone trying to grow a YouTube channel, the editing process can be one of the biggest bottlenecks in your workflow. So, how do you streamline this process without compromising on quality? Why does presentation of the problem work? 1. Identifies the problem. It clearly states the issue. Video editing is time-consuming and challenging. 2. Connects emotionally. It taps into the frustration and overwhelm that viewers might feel, making it relatable. 3. Specifies the audience. It mentions content creators, marketers, and YouTubers, making it clear who the message is for. 4. Highlights the stakes. Points out the implications of the problem, for example, tight deadlines, lack of skills, workflow bottlenecks, which increases the urgency to find a solution. 5. Sets up for the solution. Ends with a question or statement that transitions smoothly into the solution you're about to present. Presenting the problem effectively helps engage viewers by showing that you understand their challenges, making them more receptive to the solution you'll offer next. Next is exploration and development. After you have introduced the topic you want, go deeper into exploration and development. This involves diving deeper into the content, explaining solutions, exploring ideas, demonstrating processes, or breaking down information step by step. This is the main body of your video, where you deliver the promised value, provide actionable tips, showcase tools, or guide viewers through a process. It's about exploring the solution to the problem presented earlier and developing the content in a way that is informative, engaging, and easy to follow. For example, on my channel, if I was talking about challenges of video editing, I would list the steps of how to solve the problem. Step 1, I would go and talk about this step in detail. Step 2, Step 3, Step 4, give people what they are looking for. Make sure you are giving value, not just some vague information. People need to see the value of the information you are giving them. Sometimes give a demo to show how the tools work. Why does exploration and development work? 1. Breaks down the solution. It systematically addresses the problem by breaking down how the AI tools solve specific pain points step by step. 2. Keeps the audience engaged. By structuring the content into clear steps and using headings, it keeps the information organized and easy to follow. 3. Provides value. Each step offers actionable insights, showing exactly how viewers can use the tool to improve their workflow. 4. Includes a call to action. Mentioning a live demo or additional features encourages viewers to stay engaged and see the tool in action. Exploration and development are about delivering on the promise made in the hook and introduction, offering valuable insights or solutions that the audience can apply. This part should be well organized and engaging to keep viewers interested throughout the video. This is the meat and potatoes of your video, so don't skimp on this section. Next is the climax and key moment. The climax or key moment in a video is the peak point where the most important information, demonstration, or takeaway is delivered. It's the moment that provides the greatest value, reveals the main solution, or makes the biggest impact on the viewer. This is the highlight of the video where everything comes together and the viewer gets the core benefit they were promised. Why does adding a climax/key moment work? 1. Delivers the promise. This moment delivers on the video's main promise, showing the AI tool's powerful capabilities beyond basic editing, elevating the video's quality and engagement. 2. showcases the core feature, the climax. Zeroes in on the tool's most impressive feature, context-aware editing, which stands out as the game-changing aspect of the tool. 3. Creates a wow factor. The before and after comparison visually demonstrates the tool's impact, providing a clear and compelling reason for viewers to consider using it. 4. Captures attention. By focusing on a transformative moment, it captures and holds the viewer's attention, making the solution feel both attainable and highly valuable. The climax or key moment is essential because it crystallizes the main takeaway, often leaving the viewer with a strong impression of the content's value and how it directly benefits them. As you can see, you can have the climax during the exploration and key moment. This is fluid, but any good video needs to have this. Conclusion or summary. The conclusion or summary of a video is the final segment where you wrap up the content, reinforce the key points, and provide a clear call to action. This part is important because it helps reinforce what viewers have learned, encourages them to take the next steps, and leaves a lasting impression. A good conclusion should briefly recap the main points, remind viewers of the benefits, and guide them on what to do next, such as subscribing, liking the video, or trying out a product or service. Why does adding a conclusion work? 1. Recaps key points. It briefly summarizes the main points discussed in the video, reinforcing the value and benefits to the viewer, and your audience will know that their problem will be solved. 2. Reinforces the main benefit. It emphasizes the core benefit, saving time and enhancing quality to keep the solution top of mind for viewers. 3. Clear call to action. It encourages viewers to engage further by liking, subscribing, and commenting, which can help grow your channel and foster community interaction. 4. Creates a positive ending. By thanking viewers and showing enthusiasm for the next video, it leaves a positive, engaging impression, encouraging viewers to return. Last thing that's needed in every good video is a call to action CTA. In a video is a prompt that encourages viewers to take a specific action after watching the video. This action could be anything that aligns with your goals, such as subscribing to your channel, liking the video, leaving a comment, visiting a website, downloading a resource, or trying out a product or service. The CTA is essential because it guides viewers on what to do next, helping to drive engagement, build your audience, or achieve specific outcomes related to your content. Why does call to action work? 1. It encourages viewers to try the tool, engage with the video, like subscribe, comment, and provide feedback. It covers various ways to interact with your viewers. 2. Clear and direct. Each action is specific and easy to follow, making it clear what viewers should do next. 3. Aligns with goals. The call to action aligns with your channel's goals, driving subscriptions, increasing engagement, and promoting a product or service. 4. Encourages interaction. By asking viewers to comment and share their thoughts, it fosters a sense of community and encourages ongoing engagement with your content. The call to action should be concise, actionable, and directly related to the video content, guiding viewers toward the next steps that will benefit both them and your channel. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this tutorial helpful, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on automating your content creation process. Also, drop a comment below and let us know which AI tool you'd like to see featured next. Your feedback helps us create content that's tailored just for you.